guys, thanks for stopping by the channel. So guys, in this video I will be showing you guys how I go about making a bottom board for the beehive. So this bottom board you're looking at here guys, it's a 5-frame nuke bottom board. I will be making a 10-frame bottom board today. So what we have here, this piece of board is a pallet board. So I take the pallet board and rip it down to size. This is 1.5 inch by about 21 or 22. I will have to verify that measurement. Now this piece of board is a dress ply. It's 1/4 of an inch dress ply. So dress ply now, it's cheap, but it's very delicate. Least amount of moisture catch it, it will start swelling and start tearing apart. So you will have to protect it properly if you're going to use a dress ply. So what I do to protect it, I paint the inside with wax, and the outside is protected by oil. I use old engine oil. The old engine oil will do two things. One, it will protect the boards from any termites. Termites do not like the smell of old engine oil. I don't know what else about it that they don't like, but it's just a good termite repellent. And the next thing it will do, it will also help to repel water on the outside. So it will, the board will soak up the oil, and then whenever rain fall, the water won't be able to penetrate the wood as long as the oil is penetrate inside of the board. So that's the two purpose the oil serve. And now you know that wax is a great water repellent. So if I should leave this in the April, it will repel any water at all. If rain fall on it, I leave it unused, it will repel any water at all. So that's what I use to protect these bottom board. Now we're going to actually go into the making of the bottom board. I'm going to try my best to let this video be short as possible. Guys, this is a pallet board. I'm going to rip it down now to size 1.5 inch. I finished ripping the pallet boards. So I will be leaving a diagram guys with the bottom board and the measurement, so you can go with that diagram. No, I don't remember if this piece of board is 1.5 inch on the diagram, but I am working with 1.5 inch. That's good for me. So it's going to be on the sides and the back here. Now on the diagram it will show you that the short board will be on the inside, so it's going to be like 14 inches something, and this will be like 22 and a half, something like that. It will be on the diagram, but I'm going to tweak it a little bit. I'm going to cut this short piece of board on the back 16 inches and 1/8. That's the exact measurement of the beehive. The 10-frame box, 16 inches and 1/8. So this backboard is going to be the same measurement. So it's going to go all the way to the end here and to the end over here. And then this tall board will be pushed forward. So if this backboard is 1 inch thick, it will be pushed 1 inch forward. So I will have to cut this board shorter than the actual measurement on the diagram. So the diagram is showing like 22 and a half, I will like cut off 1 inch off it, so it might be 21 and a half. So that's just a little tweak that I'm going to do. You don't have to do it like I am doing. So you can just follow the measurement and the diagram and you won't go wrong, guys. So we're over on the rotor table now. I'm going to cut a groove in this board so I can slip in the bottom piece of board that is actually going to be the bottom of the hive. So this rotor bit is a 1/4 of 1 inch rotor bit, so it's the exact bit as the dress ply that I'm using. Now this is space from the fence, not 1/8, 7/8 I should say. It's space 7/8 from the bit, so that is going to create the space, the entrance, that is the gap for the entrance, guys. So I'm going to start up the rotor now and start running this board along. The little groove is cut in the boards now. I'm going to go now and cut them down to the actual dimension that I need them to be, and then I will return. So I'm back. Here's the two tall sides, so they're going to go like this, and here I have the short side, so it's going to be like this. So I'm going to actually go now and rip the dress ply down to the correct dimension to fit inside, and then I will go ahead and nail it up and glue the edge of the dress ply and slip it in the grooves, and that would be the bottom board. So I'm going to rip down the dress ply and get back, guys. I might nail it up and then get back. Alright guys, so I'm back now, and this is the bottom board. All I pretty much need to do now is grab my glue and run the glue in the slots here, here, and over here, and then put the bottom board together, and then I slap a nail, 2 nails in this board straight through in this one right here, and the same thing over this side. Slap 2 nails in to hold the boards together like this, and that would pretty much be it. When the glue dry, it will hold the sides onto the boards. So I'm going to put it together, guys, right now, and then show you what it's looking like. Now guys, the bottom board is finished. Now all it needs is a layer of protection. Whether you're going to paint the outside, you just need to protect it well now for it to last a long time. So that's how I build my bottom boards. I go with cheap boards. Cheap boards normally is not the best, but if you can protect it, guys, from moisture, it will last a long time. As long as moisture do not catch your boards, they will last a long time. So you just have to protect it real well now, guys, and it will last you a lifetime. As you can see, I slapped the 2 nails. Okay guys, so this is it. I place a hive body on top of the bottom board. And a cover, as you can see, it's looking well. So thanks for watching the video, guys. Please like, comment, share, and please do the main thing, guys, subscribe to the channel. In the next video, it can be that I'm making the hive body or the frames, whichever video comes. I'm not sure as yet. It depends on which one of the hive components I'm working on at that time. So we did the bottom board today, guys. So just look out for the rest of videos. Until next time, guys. Peace.
You know, system we are create waves like the ocean, yeah. When you're there, better than your son, no the explosion, and we make the commotion, yeah. They even dance for them, watch we have emotion, deep and we slow down, yeah. We do it first, got them soft like lotion, and waves like the ocean, yeah. When I never see a phone sound, never see a phone sound strong. Never the time for rely on people to make my move, and never saw me grow up. No, no, say me hype, I know you're probably right, but if you not have no pride, I guess anything goes. Me I live my life telling me I'm one. I used to be that little kid, now I am the grown.